I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it.
What's up, guys? It is Tuesday, which means that it is bike night. I have been riding the Magna to bike night recently because my CBR was gone. But tonight is the first night that I get to take the new bike to bike night. It's gonna be under the tent over at the Eurocycles is gonna be there. It's gonna be under their tent. But yeah. On my way to Wawa Gandhi, gonna meet up with Mike. We decided to lead a ride from Wawa Gandhi to bike night, and I'm hoping we're gonna try to do this more often. It's just more fun that way. So if you missed this one, be on the lookout for more of these rides, just small little cruise rides just to get us to bike night and everything. In rush hour traffic, I got full gear on and it's hot out. Don't always ride in full gear, but I know it's gonna get cold tonight, so I'm just prepping for that. This traffic is stupid. Sneak on over here. I'm gonna go meet up with everybody over there, although I don't think anybody's actually over there yet. Got here a little bit early, but it's gonna be a good ride. We made it out to Wawa. We got more bikes coming. So we got look at it. We got a good group of people out here. Yeah, boy. You ready? Look at that. So we got a good group of people. We got to do this more often. I think we're gonna start doing this every week. A nice little meetup at Wawa, and just ride out to Tampa Joes or wherever the bike night is. Doesn't matter if it's there or wherever. Just nice to get a nice group together and ride out together. All right. I think we're ready to go. We got a good group of people out here. Waiting on a couple more. Be a good ride. Made it safely out to bike night. It's sunny out. It feels good though. It's good sun. Got a good group here already. It's super early. We got the Beamer over there for the Eurocycles tent. They brought a couple other bikes out here. And this thing, the Vespa. I need to get my hands on that thing. What up? What's going on, man? Good? Doing good. You as well. How's it going? I'm Seth. Go for it. Nice to meet you. He's got the right idea. He's got the one wheel strapped to the back. It's awesome. And that thing's got reverse? That makes sense. If you've been to bike night recently, you've probably seen this tent. Massages, $1 a minute. What's going on? What's going on? This is the lady right here. $1 a minute, right?
Yes.
$1 a minute massages at bike night.
Bike night special.
The bike night special. You can't beat that. Then we've got this guy. What's up, dude? What's going on? Hey, I need one of these.
Actually, we're good. Just walking back on.
Of course.
Whenever
Frank holds onto a bike for like, yeah, tops.
black car.
Yeah, you're about to buy every in this
No, I'm about to buy that one after dinner.
Yeah.
That's not for sale. No, it's not. I've got another vendor over here, making my rounds. Ooh, they got helmets. They got all kinds of gear and stuff over here. Oh man, look at that. Got all these shells. I'm hungry, bro.
I got him. Look him up.
Man, look at that.
What the hell?
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just
We go, red ticket wins, red ticket wins.
You ready to win again?
If you never got a red ticket, you need one right now. We gonna call these numbers out. 4, 2, 1, 3 times. Ciao, bacalao. Give it to Carlos. He like you won. Winner, chicken dinner. We see in the house. Carlito, winner right here.
Got winner.
Hook it up. No, but I ain't calling that shit. I can't see you. You need to come up with a 439. Get your picture tonight, bro. Get this guy an X large. Woo, my boy is thick. Go ahead, baby. Go to the front and get yourself a shirt, bro.
418.
Anybody with a 4, 1, and 8? Mikey. Yeah. Go to the front. Get those tickets to Carlos. That's all you want, bro. 4.
Oh, behind you.
Damn. Winner, chicken dinner. Take that ticket to Carlos. That's what you want.
Ting Ting got something.
4,
Look at that.
0.
Dude, Jesse's gonna be pissed. We gave away basically everything.
403. What the hell's you? Yo, this is chat.
Yeah, boy.
Who won? Oh, my man. Yeah. I told you. 2 hours later, get a box.
Look at that. My boy. All right, so that's gonna wrap up Bike Night this week. Great turnout. Thank you to everybody that came by, especially the people that met up at Wawa for the before ride. I'm hoping to do that every week moving forward. Doesn't matter where we're going, just a nice little ride before we hit up Bike Night. I know a lot of people have been asking about Sunday Funday ride. We just posted up, I think yesterday, and the event details are on the page, so be sure to check that out. We're heading to Fred Howard Park, and that's gonna be probably about a 40-50 mile ride there. It's gonna be through some curvy roads and stuff. I got the route picked out. It's gonna be a blast. That's happening on the 25th, so be sure to come out for that, and yeah, we'll see you then.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end.